So this is the flower forest, as I call it. It's really a syntropic style culture. Well, it's this syntropic style polyculture of flowers. So we got the problem with weeds has been completely removed by letting edible flowers self-seed. So every single plant you see, there's only one weed that I can see, and it's that one. But in here, believe it or not, even though this is the weed, even though there are plenty of plants and plenty on coverage, I can't see any of the soil or even the wood chip or the compost. These are all edible flowers. There's chamomile, there's lavatera, which is this beautiful flower here, it's just germinating now. And then we got calendulus, and then we got nasturtiums of different varieties, and then we've got tagetes, French marigold, violas, kind of mini pansies, and then we got some flowers. Let's go that way. I just don't want to go in because that would be stomping on things. Different types of nasturtiums there, beautiful nasturtium mat here, and then we got that beautiful salvia. Let's go closer to that one. So it's actually really, this is the chamomile from earlier in the season, and there you go, this is the beautiful salvia. There's an interesting bug there as well. And so you see that there's couch grass on this side, but it can't really penetrate because it's such a dense forest of, I'm calling it a forest, but obviously it's just a polyculture of flowers. So that gives you an idea for a corner that you want to preserve for wildlife. Let plants self-seed, and they'll sort themselves out in terms of the niches that they want to fill. The key is to, see there's some fennel there, is to interplant initially something that's tall, so stratification, what we call layering of stratification, something tall, something medium, and something low. So then when they self-seed, you have some structure, some skeleton with the taller plants, and you have also different layers, and so there's different types of foods for microbes underground, but obviously for insects, and different types of habitats and shelter and pockets and niches. And this really resembles what you have in a normal ecosystem. There's a cosmos here, which is not edible, but it's also another flower. And that thing, the yellow thingy that you might have seen there, that's purslane, summer purslane, that stuff there, which is another edible salad. So hopefully that gives you an idea that you could apply in wildlife strip in your garden.